Welcome to our Factory Unlocked series by MPDV, where data meets delivery. Today, we are showing you how MPDV solves another of the top 10 problems in U.S. manufacturing. Pain point number 3, increasing costs and inflation.
Remember when filling your gas tank didn't feel like taking out a small loan? These days, rising costs are everywhere: raw materials, energy, even the tiniest items add up fast. And for manufacturers, that means profits can disappear quicker than you'd like. That's where MPDV's MES makes a real difference. It gives you clear visibility into your operations and shows exactly where money is being lost. From unnecessary energy use to excess material scrap, it uncovers hidden inefficiencies and helps you streamline processes. The result? Less waste, lower costs, and more profit staying right where it belongs, with you. We're talking about a potential 5 to 12% reduction in operational costs. Not magic, just smart manufacturing.
Coming up next, pain point number 4, the war on paper, and how going digital makes you faster, leaner, and more resilient.